Hello dear students, welcome back to my class Words of Wisdom. So in this session today I am going to explain you the syllabus of class 9th English.
English paper of CBSE is actually divided in 3 sections that carries total 80 marks, but by class 8th
जो पैटर्न है क्वेश्चन पेपर को कभी कभी चेंज कर दिया जाता है, ठीक है, लेकिन फ्रॉम क्लास 9th onwards now you will have the same pattern by class 12th of English question paper. So first of all, it is necessary to understand the format of proper question paper. Okay, so English question paper is divided in 3 sections: section A, section B and section C. That will carry total 80 marks. Okay, so section A carries total 20 marks, that includes reading section. Then section B, that includes writing plus grammar section, that carries total 30 marks. Then section C, in section C you will have literature book plus supplementary reader. Okay, you will have question and answers from your literature textbook, that is your Beehive, and then supplementary reader, that is Moment. Okay, it will also carry total 30 marks. So in this way total question paper will carry total 80 marks. Okay, 20 marks will be given according to your internal assessment. Okay, so now let's discuss about each section one by one. Section A, reading section. It will carry total 20 marks and it will include total 2 passages. Okay, question number 1, that would be your factual passage. In this passage, in fact from this passage you will have total 8 questions, and all those 8 questions will be based on objective base. Okay, objective types. It will carry total 8 marks. Then discursive passage, question number 2. Okay, it will carry total 12 marks. Okay, in this means from question number 2 you will have discursive passage, in which you will have total 8 questions. 4 questions will be of short question type of questions. Okay, and then 4 questions again objective type of questions. Okay, so 4 questions, that would be your short questions. It will carry total 8 marks. Okay, means to say each answer will be rewarded 2 marks. Okay, and then 4 objective question, 1 marks each. Okay, then comes section B, writing skill and grammar. Okay, that will carry total 30 marks. In section B, writing section will carry total 20 marks. This section will be started with question number 3, letter writing or descriptive paragraph. Means to say you will have 2 questions and you will have to do only 1 question from these 2 questions. Okay, and you will have to write these questions in 150 to 200 words, and that will carry total 10 marks. Letter writing, you will have informal letter or a descriptive paragraph. Okay, डिस्क्रिप्टिव पैराग्राफ में आपको या तो किसी पर्सन के बारे में या किसी प्लेस के बारे में डिस्क्राइब करना होगा. ऑब्वियसली यू विल हैव सम हिंट्स एंड यू विल हैव टू डेवलप दोज हिंट्स अकॉर्डिंग टू यू. ओके, देन डायरी एंट्री, आपका नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इसी में ही डायरी एंट्री भी आता है. मीन्स टू से या तो आपका लेटर राइटिंग आएगा या फिर कोई पर्सन प्लेस का डिस्क्रिप्शन आएगा या डायरी एंट्री आएगी. ठीक है, सो यू विल हैव टू राइट डाउन all this portion in 150 to 200 words. That will carry total 10 marks. Okay, Then question number 4, story writing. Story writing you will have to complete in 150 to 200 words. Okay, now it's your senior class, it's 9th class. Okay, so word limit has been increased, so you will have to practice story writing properly. That will carry total 10 marks. Okay, so in this way, this writing section will carry total 20 marks. Then grammar section, means section B includes grammar section also. That will carry total 10 marks. Okay, so in grammar section you will have question number 5, in which you will have either close passage or gap filling or editing. ठीक है, close passage क्या होता है? It is a kind of passage or paragraph or kind of a small comprehension passage, short comprehension passage will be given to you. Okay, in the form of fill in the blanks. Okay, so you will have to fill the suitable word in that passage. The exercises in the same way, gap filling and gap filling will also be there. Okay, so in both the exercises you will be given a paragraph in the form of fill in the blanks, then editing, then next question you will have from editing. ठीक है, तो ये 3 क्वेश्चन है जो कि आपको ऑप्शन में मिलेंगे. दैट विल कैरी टोटल 4 मार्क्स. ठीक है, एडिटिंग क्या होता है? एवरी यू विल हैव वन एक्सरसाइज and you will have different lines in one paragraph, means to say you will have one complete paragraph and in each line there will be one mistake. You will have to correct that mistake or you will have to replace the wrong word with the correct one. Okay, so it will carry total 4 marks. Then question number 6, dialogue writing. Report a dialogue on a given cue. You will have to write a dialogue, means to say you will be given one situation or one pictorial question. You will notice that question or picture. Okay, and according to that condition or situation you will have to write the scene in the form of dialogue. Okay, in short, this complete passage is based on narration. Okay, so and this question will carry total 6 marks. Okay, so this is your grammar section that will carry total 10 marks. Then section C. In section C, question number 7, you will get one from extract. Beehive book से प्रोज पोइट्री या उसके लास्ट में जो ड्रामा दिया है उसमें से कोई भी 2 आपको एक्सट्रैक्ट दिए जाएंगे, जिसमें कि आपको कोई एक एक्सट्रैक्ट सॉल्व करना होगा. उसमें आपको 2 क्वेश्चंस मिलेंगे. ओके, जो कि 4 मार्क्स के होंगे और वो दोनों क्वेश्चंस टोटल कैरी करेंगे 2 मार्क्स ईच. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Question number 8 would be short question type of question. Okay, that would be in 30 to 40 words, and each question means to say you will have 7 question total, and you will have to opt out only 5 questions. 3 questions will be given from Beehive and 2 from Moments. Okay,
That will carry total 10 marks, 2 marks for each answer.
then question number 9, long question from Beehive. You will have 2 questions and you will have to answer only 1 question.
And you will have to answer this question in 100 to 150 words.
Then again last question, question number 10, long question. You will have this question from your book Moment, from your supplementary reader, and you will have to attempt only 1 question out of 2. Okay, this will also carry 8 marks. Okay, so this is your complete question paper. Okay,
Most of the chapters of writing and grammar sections have been uploaded already and the process is going on. If you wish to learn all these chapters and study properly, You can subscribe my channel Words of Wisdom. Thank you. Happy learning.